Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Simpson parts is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining your pressure washer's performance. Whether you're a homeowner tackling weekend projects or a professional cleaner, having the right parts ensures your machine operates efficiently and safely. From pumps and nozzles to hoses and wands, understanding the components and their functions is key to keeping your equipment in top condition and extending its lifespan. Number 5. Simpson 15 Surface Cleaner for Pressure Washers. This surface cleaner is designed for easy use. It features a 1/4-inch QC connection, making it simple to attach to most spray wands. The 15-inch diameter allows for quick and easy cleaning of large surfaces. With 2 high-pressure, rotating jets, it provides streak-free cleaning. It offers 10 times more coverage than a standard nozzle. For the best results, use a slow, steady pace while applying light pressure. The powder-coated steel shroud and stainless steel nozzles protect against corrosion. The shroud also helps prevent overspray, keeping you and the surrounding areas dry. Buildup can gather in the nozzles over time. A nozzle cleaning tool is included to remove dirt and ensure a longer life at maximum performance. This surface cleaner works with most gas-powered pressure washers. It is recommended to use between 2200 psi and 3700 psi. Remember, it is only for cold water use, with a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use eye and ear protection when operating this surface cleaner and any pressure washer. Safety is important when using this product. What we like. This surface cleaner is perfect for tackling large areas like driveways and patios. Its 2 rotating jets ensure a streak-free clean, saving you time and effort. If you have a big cleaning job ahead, this is the tool for you. What people say. Just used it for the first time and it works great. This tool is amazing. Fantastic product, works exactly like they said it would. Did a beautiful job on my 25-year-old deck, looks like new. Number 4. Simpson PS3228 PowerShot 3300 PSI Pressure Washer. This power washer is easy to assemble and start, thanks to its Honda GX200 engine. It's perfect for contractors specializing in deck cleaning, wood restoration, and paint preparation. This is a great tool for professional services. The PowerShot features a powerful and reliable AAA industrial triplex plunger pump. It delivers 3300 psi at 2.5 GPM and includes thermal relief to prevent overheating. The Power Boost technology provides higher pressure at the nozzle. The welded steel frame construction with powder-coated finish offers durability and corrosion resistance. The 10-inch premium pneumatic tires make it easy to maneuver across various terrains. It's built to last and easy to move around. It comes with a Moreflex high-pressure hose that is kink and abrasion resistant. Also included are 5 quick-connect nozzle tips and an ergonomic spray gun with a 16-inch steel wand. These accessories make it versatile for various cleaning tasks. This product is 49 state compliant. Remember to keep the fuel level below the filler neck to avoid spillage. It uses a threaded M22 connection for the pump and hose. Please read the manual before use. What we like. This pressure washer is built for professional performance, featuring a reliable Honda engine. The durable triplex pump ensures consistent power for demanding tasks. If you're a contractor looking for a dependable machine, you should consider this. What people say. In the first 3.5 hours of use, coupled with the Meco 18 surface cleaner, I was able to clean 3 times the amount of moss-coated, thick in many spots, surface compared to the surface cleaned in 3+ days manually wanding. The modest assembly of the drawbar and wand and hose caddy was a matter of 2 minutes, easy peasy. The Honda engine instructions and the Simpson Quick Start Guide were easy to follow in terms of adding the oil, fuel and then start up. Startup was just as straightforward as the manual said, and, as long as I was following those instructions, it started on the first pull every time. Number 3. Simpson ALH3228 S3400 PSI Gas Pressure Washer. This pressure washer is designed for professionals. It's easy to assemble and start, perfect for contractors. This machine is ideal for deck cleaning and wood restoration. Equipped with a Honda GX200 Commercial Series engine, it ensures reliable performance. The engine provides the power needed for tough jobs. You can count on it to get the job done. The CAT Industrial Triplex Plunger Pump delivers impressive power. It provides 3,400 psi at 2.5 GPM. It also includes thermal relief protection to prevent overheating. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame offers durability and corrosion resistance. The 10-inch pneumatic tires make it easy to maneuver. It is built to last and easy to move around. It comes with a kink-resistant hose and 5 quick-connect nozzle tips. There's also a 16-inch steel wand and a professional spray gun. These accessories make it versatile for various cleaning tasks. This product is 49 state compliant. Remember to keep the fuel level in check to avoid spillage. It features QC connections for easy setup. What we like. This pressure washer offers professional-grade cleaning with its powerful CAT triplex pump. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame provides excellent durability and corrosion resistance. If you are looking for a long-lasting and powerful machine, this is the one for you. What people say. Combined with a surface cleaner, I cleaned the entire pool deck in 30 to 45 minutes, which would have taken me 5 hours before, and not as good results. CAT AAA pump, Honda engine, warranty, GPM, heavy duty but lightweight, frame wheels, and being able to not worry about damaging the pressure washer if you release the handle while it's running. Assembly out of the box was simple and took no time to put together. Starting unit for first time was not too bad. Throttle needs to be on full for all starts. Instructions say otherwise. And it is a little inconvenient to have to hold trigger on wand in to release pressure to just to start unit once you stop and turn motor off. But it's not bad once you get the hang of it. I cleaned for 3 hours first time out and didn't have any issues whatsoever. I didn't even have to use soap on my trucks. The pressure washer is strong enough to remove dirt and other grit no problem. Number 2. Simpson Pressure Washer O-Ring and Filter Kit. Is your pressure washer in need of some TLC? This replacement kit from Simpson can help you minimize downtime. It includes various O-rings and filters to keep your machine running like new. These replacement O-rings are designed to get you back to work quickly. They're perfect for guns, hoses, extension wands, and pump connections. With this kit, you can tackle your projects without delay. Regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your pressure washer. These O-rings and filters help keep your couplers in top shape. Replacing worn components can save you money in the long run. This kit is designed to fit most gas and electric power washers. You can easily find the right fit for your equipment. This ensures that you can keep your pressure washer in good condition. The kit includes 5 different sizes of O-rings, with 2 of each size. It also includes 2 filters. Remember, this kit is designed for cold water pressure washers only. What we like. This kit ensures your pressure washer is always ready to go. These replacement O-rings and filters are designed for universal compatibility, so you can get back to work quickly. If you value keeping your equipment in top shape, you should consider this. What people say. I was able to successfully repair my Simpson triplex pump. Worked great, rebuilt pump with no problem. Worked out great to replace worn out parts on my 3,400 psi DeWalt pressure washer. Number 1. Simpson Manifold Replacement Kit for OEM Pressure Washer. Is your pressure washer pump giving you trouble? This Simpson Cleaning Manifold Replacement Kit is a high-quality replacement part. With easy installation, it will have you back to your power washing projects quickly. This kit is an original equipment replacement for the manifold on the 510020 and 520006 OEM brand axial cam pressure washer pump. It's designed to restore the functionality of your pump. Make sure to check your pump model number before ordering. This manifold kit is compatible with OEM Technologies pressure washer pump models 510020 and 520006. Ensure it fits your specific model. The kit includes valves, seals, an unloader, a thermal relief valve, and more. It features a 3/4 garden hose inlet and an M22 high pressure outlet. Everything you need for a complete replacement. Simpson replacement parts are great for both commercial and residential pressure washers. From fittings to valves, this kit helps you save time and money. Repair your pump with genuine Simpson components. What we like. This manifold replacement kit is designed to get your pressure washer pump back in action. It includes all the necessary components for a quick and easy fix. If your pump needs a refresh, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Worked perfect, assembled easily. Easy to install. Works great. No issues. No complaints. Highly pleased with it. It's the exact part needed and installed easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.